Hey guys, welcome. This is how to change password Windows Remote Desktop. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the start menu and just simply search for computer management. Now from here, it is a software tab from the system. So after that, you should have an option over here, local users and groups. So guys, if you don't see this, just simply select the system tools and expand it. And you should be able to have this one. And you will have an option users at the top over here. So double click on it. And you should be able to see all of your users over here. Now guys, if you want to change or set the password, right click on it. You should be able to see here set password. And after that, you will have a warning that you have chosen to reset the password for your local account. And from here, resetting the password might be irreversible loss of information. So if you are sure with this, select proceed. And after that, guys, you should be able to set your new password over here right away and just simply confirm your password down below. And once you are done, just simply select OK and you should be able to change the password. And that's simply about it. Thanks for watching.